Hello! This video is on how to replace the bushing on patio door handles, whether it's broken or if you are troubleshooting a handle that won't engage. First, remove the top and bottom screws to remove the handle from the door. Loosen the screw in the center of the bushing to remove the handle. Use a small, flat-tipped screwdriver to carefully pry off the C-shaped retainer. Use the screwdriver again to carefully pry off the metal plate. Watch out for the metal spring that will fly off when you remove the plate. With the retainer, plate, and spring off, you can now remove the bushing. The replacement spring, plate, and retainer will be the same, but the new bushing will be metal instead of plastic. Let's get the old parts out of the way and install the new metal bushing through the hole in the escutcheon plate by sliding it through the front of the plate. Next, we're going to take our spring and scrunch it on a screwdriver as tight as possible, so it will be easier to fit onto the escutcheon plate. Carefully set the spring in place. This is easiest if you set both ends of the spring in place and squeeze the rest of the spring in place after. Hold the spring in place with one hand, and with the other, line up the tabs of the metal plate with the notches on the bushing. Make sure that the tab on the outside of the plate is facing down and is lined up with the screw hole. Push the metal plate down until it sits below the groove on the bushing. Take the retainer and push it into place over the plate. It should fit into a groove on the bushing. Make sure the open side of the retainer faces to the side, not to the top or bottom. Reinstall the handle by tightening the screw in the bushing. When you're done, reinstall the handle on the door the same way you removed it. If you have any questions or requests, please leave a comment down below. And you can visit us at allaboutdoors.com.